What happens when a little girl plants a seed and refuses to give up, even when nothing seems to grow? Maya's Garden, a story of patience and hope. Maya loved gardening with her grandmother. One sunny morning, Grandma gave her a small seed in a paper packet. "Plant this," Grandma smiled, "and something wonderful will grow." Maya dug a little hole, tucked the seed inside, and watered it gently. She felt excited, imagining bright flowers blooming soon. Days passed. Maya checked her garden every morning, but the soil looked the same. No sprout, no green leaf. She waited a week, then two. Her friends played elsewhere, but Maya kept coming back, hoping. "Why isn't it growing?" she asked Grandma. "Be patient, dear," Grandma said softly. By the third week, Maya felt tired. Maybe the seed was broken. Maybe she'd done it wrong. She almost stopped checking. One rainy afternoon, she sat by her garden spot, shoulders drooping. "It's never going to work," she whispered. But Grandma sat beside her quietly, not saying much. Maya decided to dig up the soil, just to see. Her heart felt heavy, but when she looked down, she gasped. A tiny white sprout, so small she'd nearly missed it, was pushing through the earth. It had been growing all along, under the soil, unseen, but never giving up. Maya understood then. Good things sometimes grow slowly, where we can't see them. She watered her sprout with fresh hope. Grandma smiled. "You didn't give up," she said, "and now you can see the magic happening." Maya visited her garden every single day, watching it grow stronger. 6 weeks later, a gorgeous yellow flower opened in Maya's garden, bright as the sun. She'd done it, not by rushing, but by showing up, believing and never giving up, even in the darkest week. Grandma hugged her. "You're a real gardener now," she whispered. Maya beamed. When things take time to grow, keep showing up with hope. Beautiful things happen to those who don't give up. Sometimes the greatest rewards are hidden beneath the surface, waiting for us to be patient and brave enough to keep trying. What will you plant and grow?